1959, South Mumbai. 7 women, not entrepreneurs, not CEOs, just housewives with dreams bigger than their kitchen. Hi, I'm Nanika, and this is the first episode of our series If She Did It First, So Can You, on my YouTube channel called The Bold Type with N, where we tell stories of real women rewriting what power looks like. They had no MBAs, no investors, no social media strategy, just one thali, some urad dal, and one bold belief: we can do something of our own. And that belief became Lijjat Papad. Today, it's a 1600 crore company owned entirely by women. No bosses, no hierarchy, only sisterhood and self-reliance. In a chawl in Girgaon, these women started making papads by hand using borrowed utensils and sun-dried terraces. Each woman earned 50 paisa on day one, but more than the money, it was the dignity that they earned. You know what's crazy? They didn't even call it Lijjat in the beginning. They called it Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad, because for them, it was not just about the business. It was about women coming together to build something. They didn't believe in bosses. हर कोई एक दूसरे को बहन करके बुलाता था. Profits were shared. Everyone had a vote. Decisions were made with consensus. Their business model: democracy, trust, and zero compromise on quality. Imagine that. No one above, no one below, just women uplifting each other. Every papad was a vote for freedom. From one neighborhood to the entire country. From 7 women to over 45,000 women today. No ads needed. Their work spoke for itself. And the brand soon became a symbol of Indian grit. Lijjat didn't just empower these women, it fed their families, provided education to their kids, and changed what financial independence looked like in a sari. In a world where success often means going viral, these women built something that lasted decades. No shortcuts, no noise, just consistency. And maybe you're watching this thinking, I'm just someone with a small idea. But so were they. And today, they run India's one of the most successful cooperatives. If they could do it, so can you. Subscribe, share, and drop a comment if this story lit a fire in you. Because every bold journey begins with just one brave step. See you in the next story.